Welcome back to another math video. For today's video, we'll be simplifying algebraic expressions, but we'll be focusing mainly on addition and subtraction. Let's go. The first problem that we have is x over 4 plus 2x over 4. We realize that the denominators are the same, and it's the same concept as if we had normal fractions. When the denominators are the same, we can go ahead and add or subtract the numerators. Let's rewrite this into one fraction. X plus 2x over 4. X plus 2x are like terms, so we can simplify those to get 3x over 4. Very simple. The second example that we have is x plus 1 over 2 plus x minus 1 over 5. So we realize that the denominators are different. Therefore, the first thing we need to do is to find the lowest common multiple so that we can rewrite both of these fractions as an equivalent fraction. So the lowest common multiple is 10. So that will be our new denominator. And what we're going to do is divide the 2 into the 10. We're left with 5. And we're going to multiply the 5 by the numerator. 5 into 10 leaves 2, and we multiply the 2 by the numerator. Now we're going to expand the brackets, and we expand the brackets by multiplying the term outside of the bracket by each term inside. So we have 5x plus 5 plus 2x minus 2 over 10. Now we realize that there are some like terms here, so we're going to group our like terms. So 5x plus 2x are like terms, and we have two constants, positive 5 and negative 2. When we simplify these, we'll get 7x minus 3 over 10, which is our denominator. Now this cannot be simplified anymore, so that is our answer. The next example that we have is 4 over 2a minus 1 minus 3 over a. So this follows the same concept. We look at the denominators are the same. If they are not the same, then we need to find the lowest common denominator or the lowest common multiple. So the lowest common multiple would be both denominators put together. So 2a minus 1 times a. We're not going to simplify it. So now that we have found our new denominator, we're going to divide the 2a minus 1 into our new denominator. The remainder is a, and we're going to multiply that a by the numerator, which is 4. And we do the same for the second fraction. So a into our new denominator leaves 2a minus 1, and we multiply that 2a minus 1 by our minus 3, or negative 3. So we're going to expand our brackets and simplify our numerator. 4 times a gives us 4a, and negative 3 times 2a gives us negative 6a. Negative 3 times negative 1 gives us a positive 3. So we're going to group our like terms. 4a minus 6a gives us negative 2a. And we write back our plus 3, which is our constant, and we write back our denominators. So our final answer is negative 2a plus 3 over a times 2a minus 1. Our fourth example, we have 4 over a minus 3 over b. So what would be our lowest common multiple? So pause this video, attempt, and then resume. So the lowest common multiple will be AB, so that will be our new denominator. So divide both old denominators into the new denominator. We're going to multiply the numerator by the quotient. A into AB leaves B, and we're going to multiply the B by the 4. B into AB leaves A, and we're going to multiply that A by the negative 3. So we have 4b minus 3a over ab. The fifth example that we have is 3 over y plus 2 over 3y. So again, pause the video, attempt, and then resume. So the lowest common multiple will be 3y. So we are going to divide the y into 3y leaves 3, multiply the quotient by the numerator, 3. And we'll do the same thing for the second fraction. So 3y into 3y goes 1 times, and we're going to multiply that 1 by the 2. So we have 3 times 3 is 9, and 2 times 1 is 2. And we can go ahead and simplify because both of these are constants. So 9 plus 2 is equal to 11 over our denominator, which is 3y. So that is our answer. So let's look at this problem now. So we have 6 over x plus 4 plus 2 over x minus 5. What is the LCM? So the LCM would be just both denominators put together, being multiplied. So x plus 4 times x minus 5, and we normally put them in brackets. So let's go ahead and simplify this problem. So first denominator, x plus 4, into our new denominator, we'll be left with x minus 5, and we multiply the x minus 5 by our numerator 6, and we do the same thing for our second fraction. X minus 5 into x plus 4, x minus 5 leaves x plus 4, and we multiply that x plus 4 by our numerator, which is 2. We expand our brackets, so we have 6x minus 30 plus 2x plus 2x plus 8 over x plus 4, x minus 5. We can go ahead and group our like terms and simplify. So 6x plus 2x minus 30 plus 8. And when we simplify that, we get 8x minus 22 over our denominator, which is x plus 4, x minus 5. Now our final example for today is 5 over 3b squared minus 5 over 6b squared. Pause the video, attempt this question, and then resume. So the lowest common multiple of 3 and 6 is 6. And the term that both b squared and b can go into would be b squared. B squared cannot go into b, therefore the LCM is 6b squared. So that's our new denominator. So we're going to divide 3b squared into 6b squared gives us 2. We multiply the 2 by the 5. And then 6b into 6b squared leaves a b. And we multiply that b by the negative 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Negative 5 times b gives us negative 5b. And we cannot simplify anymore, therefore that is our answer. Thank you for watching. Remember to drop a like, subscribe, share this video, and stay tuned for more math content. See you soon.